Yeah. Oh, oh, okay. Wow. Oh, what the hell, man? Wait, how to screen? Eh, how, how to how to set the screen? Shit. Sound.
Can hear.
Yeah, can hear, can hear.
Okay. Yeah, I wanted to ask about the dividend risk.
Oh, okay. Dividend risk is uh when there's a dividend, they announce and then they pay out normally the share price will go down.
Oh, okay. So it only applies to those company who gives dividend, right? So Facebook is not affected by it, right?
No.
Oh,
You
okay.
say if you're using trading view, you can actually below
Yeah,
before
see the dividend time, right? The period.
they'll actually put up there, and also
Roughly around which month, so you can avoid it, right?
yes, correct.
Oh, okay. Because actually, like I watched the news, right? So like Donald Trump is actually interfering with the oil price, slumping down, lah. So like, do you think like within these few days, the price is going to go up?
Oil price I actually did
Yeah.
do some options on it lah, but oil price is very hard to predict now. But I did a buy call on uh oil price oil. So I bought
Oh,
I bought the ETF.
so like for this, it will affect the SPY as well, right? I mean, when the oil price go up, so the SPY will go up as well, is it? So it will make all the stocks in the US to go up, like maybe
Not necessary.
for the next week.
Not necessarily, but I see currently SVY is like at the
Still going down.
at the support but currently I foresee it will still go down, but currently it's at the sort of the base. It's hovering at that range now.
So you think Trump interfering with the oil prices wouldn't affect much of anything lah? Like since the coronavirus and everything is like so severe and
If it can affect, but then temporarily all this stimulus package and all those, it definitely will help the market to rebound.
Because actually I'm holding the vertical call for the Facebook now, so I'm not sure whether I need to like close my position or what, because
vertical I think
I bought the one is like very short.
Vertical you don't, for me you don't, for me lah, if I enter vertical then you don't need to really worry lah, because your loss is capped.
Yeah lah.
Unless you're not comfortable losing that losses. But
I see.
so
actually for vertical call, right? So just to make sure lah, like let's say I bought it at 27th of March for the expiration, right? So if let's say because I bought at the strike price of 170 for the sell, and then buy is 172.5 lah, okay? So if let's say before the expiration it actually touches my strike price, so I don't incur the loss yet first, right? I will incur the loss only as at of 27th of March it touched the strike price, right?
Yes, if it goes above or below any of the price, if it goes above, then it might get exercised lah.
Exercise, that means
you sell call.
I incur the maximum loss lah.
Yeah, yes. Because you sell call at 170, right? Then you buy call at
172.
So you incur like 250, correct? Because you need to buy back. You need to buy back at, you can buy back at 172.5. Then you sell to that person at 170.
So actually I have two options now. Either I close the position before the expiration, or I wait until expiration, it expires. So at expiration itself, I will either incur the maximum loss or I will confirm the premium that I received.
Facebook now, let me see. Don't worry lah. You won't get exercise lah. 170 is still quite fast.
So based on your experience, you won't get exercise until next week, is it?
Confirm you get
170 because 170 is like quite like near also. Like just now it's like 1.5.
Another $10 for it to go.
Oh yeah lah. Wait let me change the day chart first. Okay. So now now it's at 157 already. It's increasing in the past few days. Okay, so 170 is like the next support there, right? Next support
the resistance. So if you see yesterday's candlestick, the high was 159.93.
Yeah.
So like what we attended Derek's class, maybe you can look at yesterday's high. If it cross today's it have a very strong green candlestick break above this 159.93, then the possibility of going
it might go to 170.
Yes, yeah.
But if let's say it doesn't, then it might
go
further down already.
Yes, it will hover below this 160 I would say.
Yeah, because actually I saw it's like higher high, so it's like a bit worried here because like previously it closed up but all lower high, but now it's like a bit like higher high trend already. So I'm not sure now.
Yeah,
Right. It's a bit like higher high already.
but you got to see lot today whether you can break, because I will just
So
see yesterday's high.
for you lah, if let's say for this kind of situation, you will just cut loss on Monday lah, depending on today's candlestick how it's formed, then
Yes, correct.
Monday only decide lah.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Okay.
Facebook,
I
this is
see.
quite expensive.
So double confirm so like for this vertical call so before expiration, if it touch 170, I still haven't incurred the maximum loss yet, right?
Haven't.
If I don't do anything, so haven't, right?
Yes.
We'll have to wait until the expiration itself and see whether it touches above or the strike price. Then only they will decide I have the loss or not lah.
Yes, correct.
Oh, okay. Understand. Oh, okay. But actually for now, the market sentiment now so bad, right? Sell call and buy put is the only way for option, right?
Not the only way.
Or you have a lot of other
There's,
strategies.
there's three.
This
You
is the
do
most common way lah, is it?
vertical is the safest way, or if you want more safe but you need to have the capital put aside is to sell put.
Yeah, because actually yesterday I talked to Zheng Yu lah. Actually, I just realized, right, for buy put you have to have the capability of buying the stock price times the stock the 100 stock amount. Like if let's say you buy one put option, then you have to have 100 times the stock price times the strike price of the capital in order to buy the put. It's not about the capability to buy the premium, it's about the capability to buy the stock price.
That one is
Right.
sell put. That one is sell put.
No, buy put also what? Because they will assess you whether you are eligible to buy the put or not based on whether you have the capital set aside. No meh?
Because okay, you got to get it correct. Buy put, you got the rights to buy, or you don't. You got the option to either buy or don't buy because you are buying.
Yeah, but they will assess you based on, because like you have two choice where the put option expire, right? Either you exercise it or you don't, but they will assess you based on your capability of exercising the option, right? That means like if you buy put, if that time you exercise the option, you have to have like maybe if let's say the strike price at that time is like $140 for Facebook, then you have to buy back. You have to sell at 140 and then you have to buy back at the current market price, right? If you exercise the option,
Buy put for sell put, yes you need
no
to
meh?
have the capital because you confirm if
Buy put no need meh?
buy put is you just lost your premium that you pay only.
Really So they won't assess you based on the strike price times the 100 number of stock.
Yeah, because you see let's say you buy put you buy put the strike, let's say Facebook, you buy put at now 150 it goes up to let's say 170. You can not you can just let these options to expire. You don't want to exercise.
Oh, okay. So if I don't
because
have
the
capital
seller
for exercising the option, I still can buy the put meh? I mean, I don't have the capital set aside for to buy back the stocks.
no.
To sell and buy back the stock
Because
if I were to exercise the option.
Buying put, you don't have the obligation to buy. You don't have the obligation to buy.
Only
buy the stock.
sell lah.
Yes.
Only sell put because, I have the obligation.
Yeah, because you agree to sell to that buyer already.
Oh, okay. Oh, so if they will assess you based on your capability to buy the premium lah for
Yeah,
buy put
yeah, buy put
part.
as long as you got,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, oh, okay. Oh, oh. So buy call and sell call, which one got obligation? Because just now
Sell,
you say buy
sell.
put and sell put, you say sell put has the obligation. You have to set aside a capital,
Whenever you,
so
whenever you,
for buy
okay, you
call,
buy, buy is you are buying the rights. Means either buy put or buy call, you have the rights.
oh,
Even if the strike price go, the current price go up or below the strike price you
ah,
enter, you can still
ah,
say you don't want to
ah,
exercise. But normally people will exercise lah.
oh,
If it's
oh,
uh,
okay,
so if buy,
ah,
so if it's sell means the other party has the rights uh to
has
exercise.
the obligation,
Yes,
you
no,
mean?
no, you have the obligation if you sell.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So it's either
Also,
sell,
the other party have the right lah.
yes, has the right to exercise anytime. You have the
Oh,
obligation. You cannot say you don't
oh,
want if
oh,
you sell. If you sell the contract. Uh,
oh,
so if
I
you are
see, I
buying, you are
see.
safer. But
So
you that's why
for
you got to pay more premium. Lor.
then for selling vertical there is different, right? No obligation, right?
Selling
Vertical
vertical,
call.
uh, currently you are doing one right.
The one I'm doing now. No obligation, right?
Mm, selling vertical got mah. You are selling mah. Yes, you are
I mean,
selling.
I'm selling vertical.
You are
I mean,
selling.
I
You are,
sell and buy. Oh.
yeah. So your obligation is when you sell. When you sell the call,
Yeah.
the sell call side you have the obligation. That's why you need to buy a call.
Mm,
You need to buy a call to protect your sell call.
okay.
Ah,
But I got a limited loss lah.
yes.
Limited
That's
loss
why.
of
That's
like
why. Yeah. That's
200
why.
plus lah.
Yeah. That's why you need to
What is
have.
a safer way to do lah?
This is one of the safe way. Another safest way is just
Mm,
sell call. No, sell put only.
sell put, but
Yeah.
you have
That's
to have capital
yes.
mah. That
That's
one,
yes.
wow.
Yes.
You have
Correct.
to have a lot capital there.
Not to say a lot lah. You can look for those stock that is below
Or cheaper
20,
one like
20 or 50
$2.
or uh,
Mm.
Nike is also currently at a very good price. Although you need
Oh,
7,000 like this 6,000-7,000,
I
but
see.
uh,
Mm.
you can actually sell put at like maybe 50. So means your capital you need 5k or to own 500. No,
Mm,
to own
mm, mm,
100.
mm, mm,
Yeah. So
mm,
when it really drops to
mm,
50, then you can get
mm.
you can get that 50, that 100 stocks, and also at the same time your
Yeah.
premium, you get the premium.
Mm.
And then
Understand.
after once you got the 100 stocks, you can start to sell call already to get the premium.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
yeah. So at
This
least,
is another strategy lah.
yes, this is another strategy. Consistent monthly income, that's how they generate lah.
Oh, yeah lor.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. There's actually a lot of ways to do it, right? So you are doing this now.
Currently, I'm not doing a sell call yet. I'm because the trend now is downtrend, so I'm actually keep on buying put lah.
Oh,
When the market is up, you buy
wow, you
put.
should make a lot already lor, buy food.
When the market is up, you buy put. When the market goes down, you close your position. Yes.
Oh, okay. I mean, the trend must be down first in order for you to buy put lah. But you have to wait until it rebounds back, only you buy, is it?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Okay.
But also
Oh,
you don't just simply go in and buy put. You buy put on those that lousy company or those company that is really affected by the virus, like tourism, hotels,
like
travel.
hotel,
Yes.
Hilton, right?
Yeah.
Hilton can be one of
You can
mm,
look at range.
General Motors.
Yeah, Ford, General Motor, Tesla, all this you can actually buy put.
Oh,
Tesla, I don't know.
actually, a lot of
Yeah, you actually,
Tesla quite risky, eh?
but then Tesla,
Not risky, eh?
I buy put. The premium is very cheap only. It's 35 cents only.
Huh? So cheap. You buy how long or?
I buy 90 days, but I buy the strike price at, let's say the other day I bought at the strike price is 100, so I predict it to go down 100. But when the price goes down from like 400 to 300, you can make 100% already.
You can sell off already,
Yeah, I can close. You can
right?
close. Yes, correct. You don't need to wait until you go down to 100.
Oh, this is the same concept as like buy call, right? Like
Yes,
I
correct.
buy
The
this
call, yes,
stock at
yes.
maybe 100, then I buy the strike price until very very high, like 300 or 400, but I don't have to wait until it becomes
Don't, yeah,
300 or
don't need,
400 to
don't
close
need.
the position. I can just close
Yeah,
halfway. I can buy like stretch very long, like 2 years, but I can close before that, right?
yeah. Buy call. You must uh 2 years maximum. The most buy call.
Then buy put there the maximum is
Buy
90
put
days.
buy put 90 to 180 days only. You don't buy too long. Yeah.
Oh, then any criteria or not? Like when you're buying put, like what are you looking at? Like open interest or what? Because
Yeah.
like Zheng Yu, right, he told me the strategy is to look at the probability out of money. So I'm looking around lah, like see what's your strategy, then maybe can combine.
Buy for me, my buy put very easy. I see the highest open interest.
Oh, okay. That's all.
Yeah, because
Oh,
last few weeks,
means like a lot of people.
yeah, a lot of
Oh,
people
okay.
like, let's say Tesla, I went in on, it's like more than 100,000.
More than 100,000.
Yeah,
Got so much where the open interest.
but you
Oh,
try to check
wow.
Tesla and see.
Oh. But I know this counter very volatile lah. Last time like shoot up 900, then suddenly blah blah blah. Now
The
300
more
already.
volatile it is, the better it is, because uh, when the stock, the counter is more volatile, the premium that you get is higher one. But of course, when you pay, you pay higher also lah.
Oh. Oh.
So
So
if
you
let's say,
just buy put on Tesla. You didn't do any strategy meh on Tesla other than
no, not
buy
yet,
put on it.
not yet. I can
Oh,
sell
okay.
put lah, but then I don't want to lock down my capital yet.
Oh. Oh yeah, sell put is like you lock down the amount of capital, then you cannot use it really,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Oh, I I see. Okay. Hey, but you say Tesla so volatile, but then you buy put 35 cents only or but somehow so many people interested in it or
Yeah,
possible meh 35 cents? 35 cents like if you buy one contract it's like $35 only eh.
yeah lor.
Huh? I also want to try leh. $35 okay leh. I want to try play and see that. I mean, I don't mind losing $35 lah.
Today Tesla, I think went up.
Like,
Today went up. You can.
yeah, let me check.
Yeah,
let me
okay,
check.
it went up, so you can actually try. Don't know, but I don't know why is it not moving. I need to check. Today Tesla went up a lot.
Then that means you earn a lot already lah from $35 if it went up a lot.
No, I want it to go down.
Oh, you mean the stock price is it? It's
Yes,
not
the price. Yes, correct.
the
Yeah.
premium.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I haven't checked that.
Because I buying put.
Tesla 400 plus already. Yeah, but then you have to wait until 90 days only decide whether you got the loss or the
No need,
gain, right?
no need. You can straight away see from your thing or stream, you either profit or loss. Then you decide whether you want to close or not.
Yeah, I mean like as long as it hasn't reached the expiration, you still don't know whether you win or lose ma. Because it fluctuates around what. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down.
You can
So
close
you
before your
wait
expiry.
until you have.
You don't need to wait until expiry one.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but it's just that now you are losing because now the share price is going up ma. So by right now you are losing, but then
right.
Today you
So
lose
I
only
still
one,
got
then
90 days to play with lah.
yeah
So,
lah.
that's
So
why I say
the 89 day, if let's say the 88 day you're still losing, but then suddenly 89 day it suddenly drop, then you also profit also, right? Then the 90th day only you close also can, right?
No, as it moves to your expiry date, your premium will go down one.
Oh, that means you must sell before the 90 days.
Before lah, the best is before. You don't wait until like 10 days before. Because the premium.
Sorry, I just saw a bit lag. I didn't catch what you say because I think maybe the internet got a bit problem.
Yeah, connection not stable.
Ah.
So as it goes nearer to your expiry date, the premium, even though the stock price don't move, the premium will start to depreciate one.
That means
this is called time decay.
The longer you wait, then although you premium, profit, right, the profit will go down and go down,
yes,
is it?
Yes, the premium will go down very fast one as it gets nearer. So you don't wait.
Oh, as long as you have the profit, you have to faster close it lah.
Yes.
The earlier you close it, the better lah. Oh, I see. Correct. If not near the expiration, you have to exercise.
Yes.
If let's say near the expiration, you have to exercise the option, then you can gain by selling at the strike price and buying back at the current market price, right?
Yeah, then you decide whether you want to exercise or don't want to exercise.
It's the same percentage, right? Either you exercise the option or either you gain from selling your put. It's better to sell the put, right, than exercising the option.
It depends whether if you exercise, then you see the potential of it going up again, then you exercise.
That means you can sell the put, then after that you still exercise, is it?
Oh no, if you sell, then you don't have the options already, then you cannot exercise. So it's either you
choose one lah.
Yeah, you can only choose one.
Oh, okay. I'm looking at Tesla.
Very slow.
No, that means that day you buy 35 cents, I think now even cheaper already lah, since the share price like
you can try it, see lah. The one I bought
90 days, wait
June, around June, then
19 June 19 June, let me see. Buy put.
I bought at my strike price is 10 instead of 100 because that's the highest
10
open interest.
Wow, buy so low. That means like you want it to go down to $10. Possible. But then still got people buy one, oh.
Yes.
So weird one, ah. I mean, although everybody know that it won't go down to 10, but still got people like goreng, is it?
I would say goreng lah, but then it's possible lah because they got to shut down most of their factories already. They got to close.
Oh.
So means they can't
Oh.
produce. They can't manufacture.
Now it's like 24 cents only leh. $10.
Then you can, if you want, you can go in I'm not recommending
I know.
yeah,
I mean, I'm just looking lah. I'm just trying.
Yeah.
So that means $10. Even if I exercise the option, I think I'm also capable of exercising it because $10 times 100, 1,000 only. Like one option
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So like if let's say you buy put, right, you don't have to buy anything more to cover already, right? This is the cover itself. Right?
What you lost is your premium only. Means let's say you buy
$24 lor, if let's say I buy one.
One contract is $24. Means if you burn you burn 24 only.
Oh, that's nice. But a lot of people buy really. It's like 10,000 plus.
That's why
16,000. Actually, how high is considered high? The open interest.
Normally, what I learned is normally the criteria is above 300.
Wow, but this one is so much higher than 300.
Yeah.
Wow, what's that sound?
I think my thing was swim, but it's loading very slow.
What? Not already, is it?
No way. Go down today.
You short everything, is it?
Not everything lah. I still got cash lah.
Of course lah. Everybody is keeping cash now lah. Either they short or they keep cash. I don't think anybody's buying now.
So as it rebounds, I went in early like I went in like I think but yesterday quite early. Should have
yesterday. Oh, yesterday you went in for the Tesla.
Went in already. I went in too early.
You went in a lot, or yesterday you told me you went in the SPY and Disney also. Also short lah.
Yeah, SPY.
Also buy put.
I'll buy put one. All my position.
Oh, you only buy put.
Currently, yes.
You buy put king Okay, I feel like entering there because it's like very cheap $24 only.
Yeah, 24.
I mean, it's my first position also lah, so it's not expensive also, so it's like I can play around also. I mean, if I don't start, I don't know when I will ever start, Hello.
24.
Okay, hey, you send your homework to Derek already?
Not yet. Only on the first day.
I'm trying to do the Facebook one. Then I feel like I saw a lot candlestick reversal.
No, you just see what you can see. You draw.
I saw a lot candlestick reversal, and then at the same time I saw a lot of support resistance there.
Then you just take and then see what he comment
Yeah, I mean I think I just draw only because he say 3 to 5 I think I draw more than that already. I don't know where it went wrong, but I just let him comment
Yeah, just let him comment I like the one I did for SPY, but that one is 1 minute.
Yeah, the one you do until very pro already You just went for 3 days and then you draw everything like very pro, I saw already. I'm like, okay, this guy like went for very long, like got a lot of experience at that.
I'm just testing apply what I learned I scared I forget
previously did you like hear about all these price action before one?
Yeah, I heard before, but
Oh,
I don't really know how to draw
oh,
correctly. So that's why I go
oh,
for that.
did you went any class before Derek's class?
No, but for the online one lah, yes. There's one online one I registered very long time ago one. Then I told him
Oh,
that course one. He say not very good lah.
oh, okay. Okay, lor, then use daring method only
Yeah.
lor. He got take his book ah. He got so many book leh, like the Malay one. That
Oh
day
no
they
lah.
pass around the book, the price action book.
I think his workbook is enough already. And then
Yeah lor, the alpha trader, right?
and then do his homework lor. Then see his comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Luckily that time you share the book at the retreat there. I got take a look there. Luckily you share lah, because that one I think quite useful also lah.
that one what 400 over pages.
Yeah, I read. I mean, it's very dry lah, but then
Yeah,
I read a few
the
per
first few
day lah.
chapter is already very useful on the candlestick.
But actually, I feel like at the back not that useful lah, because at the back there is more on like those indicators lah.
Mm-hmm. Ah,
Yeah, that the part I don't really get it lah. Then I just skip only lah. So yeah, I'm more familiar with the front part only because the front part is
they explain
more understandable lah. The candlestick,
they
everything.
explain the candlestick. Yeah, it's quite interesting.
Yeah. So can use on Derek's homework also.
Ah,
But then that day he talked about the rising sun, right? Actually, rising sun is the same as piercing pattern, right?
rising sun. I also forget.
Because I saw the patterns almost the same as piercing pattern. Also, the green bar pierced through the red bar, right?
Oh, I don't really remember all this.
Already, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I'm very interested in all the candlestick, so I feel quite interesting also lah, those candlestick. Then I don't know if you still remember or not, because I read the book I feel like a lot of names are very funny one, like
Yeah.
dumpling top, then fry pan bottom. I mean those are breaker reversal signal lah, but then it's very cute. It makes me want remember it a lot lah.
Okay. Wow. I just see the candlestick. I don't remember the name but I just see how try to remember the pattern.
You know the pattern lah.
Yeah.
Actually, I think know a few pattern then enough already, because even the book, right, they got say the reversal pattern, some is weak one, some pattern is very weak. So like harami, I think harami is quite weak one. Then the front part of the book is more on a stronger reversal lah, like
right.
the one he introduced in his class one.
Yeah, he introduced those that
really matters one.
Quite strong pattern.
Yeah. Like morning star, all those is the very strong one.
Yeah. I need to refer back again also, but
so you read the book also lah?
Yeah, I read
the Japanese
like few front pages after that one.
Okay. But it's quite useful lah, I think. I mean, it's very easy to understand for beginner like me lah, because actually I'm not exposed to all this until I join Mengtek's class. Then after that, I only start to study all this kind of thing lah. Quite interesting also lah. Then I have to watch a lot of news slowly lah, I feel.
Yeah, but you fundamental also you go study or you will be based.
No leh, actually I don't study fundamental leh. I feel very boring I only look through Barron's only. Like I follow Julio's method lah, because Julio's method is more on screening through then faster lah, then screen only lor. Because Mengtek style is more on fundamental analysis then he has to read the annual report, everything. I feel like it's not my thing lah, because I don't like to read so thick the annual report. When I see that I download it I feel so thick then I don't feel like studying already So for you are more on what style? You are more on technical analysis or fundamental or what?
technical, easier.
Or technical lah.
Yeah.
So I think Derek's class is more suitable for you lor.
Yeah.
Mm.
Today.
Mm.
Oh, today is very bad.
Mm.
So far, you only went in Facebook.
Facebook, because Zheng Yu got teach lah about option for beginner lah. So I join lor. Then I want to try out lah. I want to apply because actually the theory part I mean no matter how good you get it it's still the application part I feel because
Right.
the system because I'm new I don't really use this system a lot. So like when I look at all these so it's like very hard to monitor but that day Zheng Yu got teach like how to press, then okay lah, I feel much more familiar already lah.
Okay. Yeah, you just need to know.
Yeah, but yeah, I feel quite okay lor for the vertical sell call. I feel quite safe also lah for this. Like you can close position anytime also before the expiration, so still okay lah. They say like never do naked, right?
Yeah.
Like the naked put, naked call, like very dangerous. Like the loss is like unlimited. Wow, scary.
Yeah.
That's how people burn money.
So that's why vertical is still okay lah. You can.
Yeah. Suitable for beginner, right? All these like vertical and buy put. Yeah.
Buy put.
Okay, I think
sell put.
Then you went in a lot already lah. For you, your position all full already. How many percentage of cash you keep or?
Now I think 60 to 70 still got 60 to 70.
60 to 70. Oh, okay lah.
Yeah, because I still waiting. Don't put all in.
Yeah, better don't lah. Quite volatile also lah, the market now.
Yeah. From green can go to red.
But this coronavirus thing like feel like it's going to be very long, right?
Yeah, we'll still be here.
I saw the news, right? Australia, they are closing for 6 months. So it could be quite long.
Yeah.
Unless the vaccine come out lah. But don't know when. The expiration date I put 19th of June. So roughly
19th of
90
June.
days. Okay. 19th of June. Strike
$10.
I buy put 24 cents. I buy cheaper than you leh.
Yeah. Now it's
Try.
you can queue at you don't really need to queue at 24. You can queue lower one.
20 possible meh? How do I see the last traded price
Last traded
Like
price, I think you bring out one. Yeah, let me see whether they can bring out. Customize. Last. Yeah, you can. I think you bring out last X. Last X. Let me see. Last X. What? You can try 19 cent.
last X.
Yeah.
Last. Oh yeah, 19. Wow, it's even cheaper. Buy plus one Tesla 19 June. $10 strike price. Buy put 19 cents. Okay. Submit. But then Tesla is not nearing the dividend right now.
Yeah. Tesla no dividend.
Tesla is a no dividend company, right?
Yeah, no dividend.
Oh, so no dividend risk.
Yeah lah. Because it's growing company ma.
Then what if suddenly they announce, oh, I'm going to, I mean, just for example, I'm going to like announce dividend like for the first time ever. Like, will they do that?
They will, but then they will still announce the date of when they're going to pay ma. On that day, they pay
Then
only
by
the
that
price
time
will go
only you
down.
decide whether you want to close the position.
Yes, on that day they pay out, only the price will go down.
Oh, okay.
Not when they announce.
Oh. But then how would it affect my option if let's say this is a dividend company. If let's say I bought it wrong, I bought it like near the dividend period, then how is it going to affect my option?
It will affect.
Like if let's say I buy put the price will go down, which is what I want, right?
If you buy put yeah lah.
Because
If you buy,
that's what I want, right?
if you buy call, then you go your price will go down a bit ma. Then you gotta wait for it to climb back ma.
Oh.
Yeah, so it depends
But
on
then,
what strategy you.
If there's a way, then a lot of people will buy put near the dividend, or.
Not necessary one. Sometimes it will go out one. So it cannot predict one. So it's up to you. Good company or you dare to buy put lah.
No lah, I
Ah,
mean, if let's say it's uncertain,
you got to
like those bad company near earnings call, then sure go down one ma. I mean, most of the time lah, because a lot of people don't want to trade
if
across
you know the
earning.
previous if you know the previous records, then you can try lah to buy put or buy put.
This is one of the strategy people do lah.
Yeah, that one I think would be the more experience already lah. They know what to expect.
Oh, yeah, lor. I beginner, maybe I just stick to this first.
You stick to all the basic options first lah. Don't do all this.
I think for now it's really good to learn like buy put all this.
Yeah, you get to learn all the option strategy, buy put, sell call, all this lah. I think all four you get to use.
Maybe when the virus ended, right? Like when the market start to go up, then I can buy call already, lor.
You can buy call or you can Yeah, there's two strategies.
Because
You buy
stock
call,
like
you
very
buy put on.
expensive but buy call you earn higher percentage no right? Because you use
Yes. You
smaller
use
capital then you
smaller
earn
capital
higher.
too. Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
But if you want to own the stock, then you got to directly buy the stock. Buy the stock is so it's on whether
Mm.
how you want. You maybe you can separate. One is to buy, one is to do options only, one is to buy stock, because stock in the long run it will go up one.
Oh, because option you cannot invest in it, right? Option
Yes,
normally is like
yeah,
do trading only,
yes,
like
correct.
buy and run away.
You don't own the stock.
Okay.
So now is the best time to collect up to 100 lah. Then later on you just sell call lah. You get the you collect premium more.
But have a reverse also. Wait, reversal,
Ah,
then go in, then
ah,
only sell.
right.
Yeah.
Because now
Or the time you also can sell put already, right? I mean, when going up the time.
yeah, because you know it will go up, you won't go down, so you just collect premium.
Mm. Okay. Yeah. Still working the order. Ha,
Oh, still working. Okay. So if
still working.
what they teach is, let's say like after like 1 hour, 2 hour, you still don't get the contract, you can move your price up a bit.
Replace my order.
Yeah, you can
Is it?
replace your order. They will replace for you.
Wait 1 hour, see whether I got it or not.
Yeah, because you don't need to rush to pay so high premium.
Yeah lah. Then I can see the graph also, right? I press my order, then I analyze trade. Analyze.
Can. Usually I don't do see all this.
Because the loss is only like $19 only, right?
Yeah, the loss is what you pay.
But then just now I saw the maximum profit is like so high, like 900 or if it.
Because if
I mean, but I don't think it will go until 900 lah.
because you are buying put ma. So if let's say the price, if the stock price really go down to like $1, you can buy at $1 and sell at $10 ma.
Or times 100.
Yes, then that's your profit.
What if it goes bankrupt? Then how? I mean, if let's
If
say
it
I
goes
bought
bankrupt, also maybe the price will normally go down. Maybe I don't know US but maybe it can go up to 10 cents
then will I still get my profit or what?
Then you quickly buy at 10 cents and sell at $10. You quickly
But
exercise.
the company bankrupt already, or then
You
got people to buy there.
When they bankrupt, they will need to announce one ma. When they announce the share price will go down ma. They cannot say like, oh, today I want to bankrupt. They straight away no more in the ma.
They give one period of time.
They will announce one. They will announce one. Don't worry.
But then during that period when they announce really, then market sentiment is not very good so then people wouldn't want to get themselves into trouble and wouldn't want to buy it from you, or if you sell
because you already buy put, means the person whatever situation
exercise it.
Whatever situation he will
must buy from you.
Correct.
Okay.
That's why you need to buy. You need to pay a premium to invest.
Nice. Jialat like that. Yeah, that's why I never sell put on those like bad company lah.
Yes.
interesting lah. Wow, the stock market got a lot of things to learn. I mean,
Yeah,
at
so
first I thought it's like go 2 days for the VS. Then okay already. Then wow, actually got much more to learn. Like every day have to learn. Yeah.
especially
Then still
now.
got Derek style. Got technical. Wow, technical still got so detailed. I never know, you know.
This is the best time to learn now, especially this time. If not, the market is like very boring one.
Yeah, no, but then I feel a bit too late really, you know, because I just joined on last year October. So it's like if I joined earlier, then I got more prepared for this kind of situation, you know. Then I can, you know what I mean, no? Because now it's like, yeah, too late really. Yeah, so
Not too
it's like
late,
now
not
only
too
I
late.
learn.
Not too late.
Because I heard a lot of people like during this crash they already like earn a lot, right? Like from the VS group there.
They need
Like,
to,
so
they didn't cut loss lah.
everybody earn a lot. Yeah, then a lot of people sell, then earn a lot already lor. Then I don't even have any strategy there. I only know how to buy and sell, you know, the most basic one.
But at least you know options now. Then options help a lot.
So actually option is very useful in this kind of market lah.
Yes,
Like
correct.
those recession coming, option is the best way lah.
Because like this kind of situation, those people that don't know options one, they cannot do anything.
Yeah lor. I'm one of those person lor. That's why I keep wanting to learn, you know, like for this option, a bit FOMO leh.
Oh, don't get too FOMO.
No lah, I mean I won't all in lah. I mean I want to try out lah, like try play.
At least, yeah.
Play like you say like Tesla buy put $19 okay ma, like very cheap. I mean if I lose okay lah, whatever lah, the $19.
At least you know what
I can learn. I learn how to press and all this lah. So buy put is single, right? The spread there, they will single, right? Feel already leh.
Okay lah, then you wait. You wait lah.
Then you see until like maybe 1 month later what happened.
Oh no. It's either you want to straight away put in your orders to tell the where at what price you want to sell.
What you mean again?
You can okay, let's say now the order has been filled. It's in your portfolio already. So you can straight away. Normally what I do is once the thing is filled, I will straight away put in my target price already. So whenever it hit my target price, it will just close for me. I don't need to monitor.
Oh, okay. Wait, I send you my order. Wait. I go find your WhatsApp lah. Wait. The Alpha Trader Group. Wait lah. You got teach people one, is it?
Me? Oh no.
Yeah.
I want now starting.
Now
starting.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I let you see my order.
You got follow Rash or not?
Which one?
Rash.
Sorry, I really don't know much about those like trader people one because I'm really new, you know.
Oh, okay.
Mingtik one is the first one I joined. Then after that only I go retreat, only I know those people. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought I know.
Yeah, I send you already the WhatsApp there.
Okay, yeah.
Correct, right?
Yeah, 19 June. Yeah.
So okay, now I go to my portfolio there, then I left click it.
Right click, then you can create closing order. Your one is 25, 40 cents.
Closing order, wait. Oh. Contact tracing. What? 因为我会找那些人有给发 wait, my computer a bit lag.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so create closing order, I sell sell put
Yeah.
Wait, wait, I WhatsApp you. The first one is it? You see your WhatsApp? This one
Yeah. The first one. You just click, then it'll be like normal.
Click.
Click,
Okay.
then yeah, it'll come out. Then you just set your price. You set your price, then the day you just change to GTC good to close.
GTC.
Yeah, it means
okay.
every day they will put in the order for you until it's filled.
What price should I put?
Normally I put 100%. So I times 2 only. 40 cents. If you want. Or you want 50% also can.
40 cents. I put 50 cents.
Yours is 19 cents. Can 40 cents.
40 40 cents. Okay.
My weeks. 40 cents.
Correct, this one.
10, 40 cents, good to order. Yeah, can.
Correct, or then I confirm and sell on
Yeah, confirm and send.
Why they don't let me change one? They switch back to 40. They change back to 18 cents.
Then you check.
Yeah, I try one more time.
Yeah.
Oh, they don't let me to change. I put 40 cents and then it revert back to 18 cents.
Okay, not. Let me try my one again. Yeah, 40 cents. Cannot. I just changed mine. They got message come out say you cannot.
No lah, I mean they just revert back only.
When you click send and confirm.
Never mind. I wait. I click again. I try again. I delete the order first. Yeah, can already. 40.
Okay.
Max profit is $40.
Because you're selling, because they treat it as you are selling the put.
But max loss is 960 or don't care about the
Yeah, because
960.
they don't care already because you are closing. They thought it's a new position.
So it's normal lah. Like
Yeah, it's normal.
okay. See. So my max loss, I just have to see my original.
Yeah, original. Yes.
Original. Oh, okay.
Original entry.
Okay.
This is how many days? This is.
So that means if it hit 40, right? 40 cents, right? So I'll earn $40. I use
Earn 40. No, you earn 20. Oh. Your profit will be 20 lah. You get
20
40 because your initial cost is 19 ma.
Okay. Understand. Okay.
The probability of going down is it's going up. Good. Another.
So the working order will be there until it fills lah. Like could be 1 week, 1 month.
Yeah, correct. Because you put good to close. If you put day, then after today you need to Monday you need to put in again.
I see. Okay. Okay. Understand. So that's all about this. So, then next time about this option, I can ask you also lah.
Can.
Okay. Luckily, I meet all of you all there. Because if not, I don't know who to ask all these.
Yeah. Because options also I just learned only. So yeah, I'm trying to share and then help and also learn together.
You learn from Kosh they all lah, right?
It's actually learned from, I don't know, you Glenn and Glenn they all Sean's group, and then after that Kosh Yan Cheng take over this program.
They are all same group same group of people.
They are initially from the same group.
Oh.
Yeah, so now they are doing their own program. Both also options.
Oh, I see. Wow, not bad. Maybe I need to explore more about all these courses as well.
You want to explore? I send you one link. It's by Rasha. His strategy, this buy put orders also I learned from him one. That's why I can make so much.
Oh, this Tesla one also you learn from him one.
Yeah, he asked
the strategy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait,
Also, from Kosh, the gang one, is it?
last time they work together one night, if not mistaken. So they have their own team now.
Oh, they sub out lah.
Yeah.
Like help more people lah.
Yes.
But then next time you also sub out lor, then you can have your own group
That's what I'm trying to do now lah. So because I also got talk to Ming Teck, Yan Cheng, all those. So anything I'll refer people back to their program.
Then you become the coach lah.
Coach, yeah lah. Because for Yan Cheng team, I'm one of the guardian for WhatsApp, helping all the new members.
Oh, so nice. Wow, you can juggle a lot like work and then after work then you have to do all this.
Yeah lah, because planning to do this if can full time.
Oh, so next time you plan to like work for this instead of working for your current job. Okay. Wow, thanks a lot for your time, Wow, I used up a lot of time already. Thanks a lot.
Chatting and also monitoring the market now.
So I think no need to cut loss for the Facebook one.
Oh no, don't do anything. You just collect your premium. It won't most probably it won't trigger your exercise. You just let it expire like that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like if anything, like let's say you got any bad news, like monitor the market first if really jialat, then Monday see how lah. If really need to cut loss, then Monday see.
If the market is bad, you don't need to do anything. Right? Facebook sure drop one.
I mean, if the market become good, then have to cut loss or not, man? Because my sell vertical call, my max loss is 200 Then I have to buy back the close.
The max loss is only 250 for you.
250 but then 250 for me a lot because I'm still trying so
can lah. I don't think so. It will get triggered.
Even if it reach the 170, it takes about maybe 1 week plus, right? If it wants to go back, because it will retest back, right? If let's say this is really the higher high, right? Then it will retest back and go back slowly, go back.
You can use this. You can use this Facebook as your homework. You can send to directors one.
I'm actually doing it. That's why I see like why so weird. Why so many candlestick reversal? It's like everywhere, or maybe I see wrongly lah.
So if you use this, then you send to direct. Also, you can have a better, clearer picture.
Yeah, ask him also.
Yeah. That's one more good thing lah. I see now, yeah, it's at a resistance now for Facebook.
Now,
158 lah. If you can break above 158, then you got to monitor a bit.
158, right? 158. Yeah. The previous red color bar, right? The rejection up there. One five eight is which candlestick? This one I say 158 to monitor.
I see the daily chart, so it's like all the shadow is like touching around 158 one. Am I right?
The shadow. 159 there, right? 159.
Yeah, around there lah. Yeah.
158. Oh yeah, the zone there lah. Yeah, the shadow there. Yeah, if breakthrough, then around 160, 159, I already have to monitor already, right?
Yes.
Actually, don't know whether Derek they all got do another class or not, because I feel like revisiting the day 3 a bit blur by day 3.
I think because he say he can receipt but I think not so soon lah. Not sure. You got to ask Michael. Michael is the one that coordinate.
Oh yeah. Some more now got all these virus things.
Yeah, so
don't think it will be any time soon.
If he can do online also is also good lah.
Oh yeah, actually yeah lah. Zoom, like how Mingtek they all do, right?
Don't know. Can ask him.
Oh, I feel like asking them because they talk about the head and shoulder. Head and shoulder, the profit, the target profit can be very high one, is it? The charting pattern,
Is it?
head and shoulder. Is it? I a bit blur over there already.
That one I think maybe I didn't really hear.
I don't know, like that day they got say something. Then you remember Raymond go and ask Derek, then we can put the target profit, put 1:3 or 4 already. Then Derek say, for beginner only 1 to 2, that enough already. I don't know which pattern Raymond asked the question.
I don't know. I think it's like the wavelength one or something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
You predict.
The wavelength also another. Yeah. How to measure the wavelength actually?
He say use ruler. If you want to be more accurate, because the one we use in the trading view, the thing won't be very accurate. It will resize when you
run off. Because it's not field, right?
Yes. Or you can just use your finger. But that one maybe later. Identify the candlestick first. Candlestick and
I think
resistance,
bit by bit. Like now is see the trend, support, and the candlestick reversal first, right?
Yeah.
Then after that, only go for trend line and all this. Yeah. A lot of things banned.
Okay. Really good.
If let's say they really have the video call one, then very good lor. Then we can revise again. Maybe can ask my girl.
Yeah.
Because I really want to like revise back on a day 3 because I feel a bit hectic now on day 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of things to go through.
So maybe, okay lah. Thank you for your time Thank you so much. I appreciate your
No
time.
problem.
Hope you earn a lot.
Thank you. You also.
I'm learning now lah. Hopefully.
Got time one.
Yeah, hopefully lah, can learn more. You
Okay.
next time sure recommend you. If you have your own class, I sure recommend you.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thanks for your
No
time.
problem.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.